Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my nighttime skin routine. So first I'm going to start with my Clean and Clear Night Relaxing and Deep Cleansing Wash. I like to use that at night, hence nighttime. But it's very relaxing, it's very soothing, and I feel like it actually, in my head, it's my own deep cleansing from all the germs and things that you encounter during the day. And yes, I can be a germaphobe. But anywho, I just put a generous amount of that in my hand after wetting my face, and I do massage this into the skin for 60 seconds. 60 seconds may seem like a lot, but sis, it works, okay? Because like you need to give the wash like time to actually like penetrate the skin, get all the products. If you put foundation and makeup on and after you've washed it all off, you need to be able to break through all of that. And it just give it time. It's only 60 seconds, okay? And this is your time to wind down, okay? So we're just gonna massage that in, and you can get that from Walmart or Target, reasonably priced. After that, then I'm going to wash that all off, and you can use a brush to actually do that, all that scrubbing, but I have not found one that does not irritate my skin. If you know one, like, link it down below, help a sister out. Next, we're going to exfoliate. So we're going to go in with the Equate Blackhead Cleansing Exfoliation. It is medicated, but I have to be very careful with products that I try on my skin. I have to introduce products to my skin like you introduce baby food to a baby. We have to figure out what the problem is if I have a breakout. But I have been using this for a while and we haven't had any problems, so yay. It is the dupe of Clean and Clear, works just as well. You can get that, obviously that's the Walmart brand, but you can do the Clean and Clear same one and get the same results. So after massaging this in, I love the gritty feeling. I feel like it's like really light. I love exfoliation. I do exfoliate twice a week. I tend to do it on Sundays and Thursdays. I do like to do it whenever I'm going to, let's say I have an event I'm going to do a full face. I like to have like exfoliated skin. I feel like the makeup applies better, and definitely like to do it, like I say, if I wear a lot of makeup on Friday and Saturday, Sunday, I feel like that's a great way to make sure my skin is really clean. After that, I'm going to dry my face with my facial hand towel. And again, that is just for the face. It is not for the community and the whole household, okay? But that's my personal facial towel, okay? After that, then I am going to go in with my toner. I'm going to take it on a cotton swab. And you can get your cotton swabs from anywhere. And I'm going to use the Olay toner. And that can be found at Walmart or Target or any drugstore. Apply that on the cotton swab and wipe it all over my face. And let me tell you something, toner is like that aunt that you didn't want to tell you the truth. Let me tell you something. You want to know how clean your face is? Do toner, because some days you be like, did I even wash my face though? But I mean, you know, it's just getting it clean, okay? It's just getting it clean. And that this toner actually has witch hazel in it. And again, even though my face is sensitive, we haven't had any problems, so I'm here for it. Next, I'm going to get into my serum. I am using the Moisture Quench Serum. And I actually got this from Burlington. Don't sleep on Burlington, okay? They be having some really good deals, okay? I got that for $3.99. This is really good for dry to troubled skin with psoriasis or eczema, because it really puts the moisture back into your skin. When you exfoliate, it does kind of dry us out a little bit, because, you know, it's getting all that dead skin off. So you're definitely putting that moisture back in. You just kind of take it in the little dropper, put about 2 drops and put it all over your face. I do apply that all over my face and to the back of my neck and front of my neck, because I do have irritation there. So everybody needs moisture, okay? Everybody. Been using it for a while. I am in love thus far, so we haven't had any problems with that. I do say when picking a serum, do get things that say things about moisture and quenching. Next, we're going to go in with Dove Derma Care. This is a line specifically for women with dry skin and eczema and psoriasis. I was able to find it in Target at one point, but they have discontinued it. But you can get it from Walmart.com and just order it and have it shipped to the house. It is reasonably priced, about $6.97, something along that sort. So not too bad. After that, I'm going to go in with my medication process. This was prescribed to me from my doctor. It's Uasia. I'm pretty sure you saw the commercials. And I just apply these to my eczema spots. I tend to get them in my eyebrows, on my sideburns, on my neck, around my nose sometimes. I used to get it in my hairline a lot, but now that I wash my hair once a week, it's not as bad, but that's another story. And I do, like I said, have it on my neck. So I do apply it there. Only downfall to this is it does burn at application site. It burns mostly on my neck. It does set me on fire, but it works. So if you feel that this would be useful for you, you can always ask your doctor to apply it. I mean, it is a downfall, but it works. After this, then I'm going to go in with my facial spray. This is something I also got from Burlington, very low, and it talks about cleansing the skin. So that concludes my video, and I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know why I'm just sitting here like that, but don't judge me, okay? Obviously I didn't do anything else in the video, and I should just really end this. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from my skin routine, and I will see you guys next time.